In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. In order to lock any of your apps, you need to have passcode applied on your iPhone. Once you do, hold any app you wanna lock and wait for this pop-up. Then select Require Passcode. Confirm your choice in this pop-up by tapping on Require Passcode again and enter it. So now when I try to access my app, I can see that passcode is required. If you want to disable app lock from chosen app, hold it again and this time click on Don't Require Passcode. Enter it to continue. And when I click on it now, I can see that app lock is no longer required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!